Hi, Assalamualaikum. I Rima Dayanti, representative of the team, Dr. Hazlina and Miss Marliana. So today our project name is BeatSync Korotkoff Sound. It's an interactive learning for students. So here is our content of presentation for today. So why this related to blood pressure is Korokov sound is part of the blood pressure measurement where they need to really to understand and appreciate the sound to take the blood pressure measurement. So the blood pressure measurement is essential in medical practice to diagnose as conditions like hypertension and also guiding the treatment. So students often struggle with mastering their skill due to difficulty in hearing the Korokov sound, difficult to control the cough for the inflation and deflation as well as difficult to distinguish between systolic and diastolic pressure. So important to integrate the theory with hands-on practice, and it's also crucial to develop these necessary skills. With the phase out of mercury devices, so proficiency with Android devices is increasingly important for our students. So what is the purpose of our product is to aims to overcome the challenges by providing innovative training tool with visual and auditory as well as psychomotor skills aids for immersive practices. Here is of our product showcase on how the students will use the products and learns taking blood pressure while they listen the croak of sound. Okay, what is the unique of our products? First, we are using the realistic sound simulation so then when they listen, they can understand better. Okay, second, we also integrate the scenario for student. This is the scenario and this is the instruction for students to start to take blood pressure while when they want to move the slider, here is the instruction guide for them. We simulate the slider example as they are using the actual blood pressure to deflect and inflates. Here as well as the instruction for the students to aware that they cannot reach the certain maximum level. Okay, what are the interesting part is this courseware is user friendly for student. It's also is a self-paced learning. Why you say that? So the difference is between these two. This is examples where to take the blood pressure reading as part of the activity for the students. Okay, here what the difference is they only play this video and watch as well as listens the sound. They need to note down the first Korokov sound and the last Korokov sound. Then they put the reading over here and submit. About this, they only listen and watch the video. However, the difference on our product is they can play and control by themselves when they need to take the blood pressure while they listening the Korokov sounds. That is a unique about our product as compared to only watch and listens. Another part is our compatibility is compatible with the various devices. Okay, basically the student use blood pressure Androids, okay, and using the stethoscope to listen. With this our product, without the device, medical devices, they can still learn and practice to get the blood pressure. What the difference is, they can use their phone or laptop using the headset or earphone. So this is as our student try and play this activity using the earphone to listen very sharp and clear the Korkov sounds. A part of it, we also integrate visual aids, okay, the diagram and as well as the video demonstration of 5 phases. So here is the example. Okay, you listen just now the sounds, right? Let's continue. Okay, so when they get up the readings, they also can see the graph over here. Okay, this is the graph. So when the pressure go up, the pressure goes up as well, and they also can start get the reading of the blood pressure when the peak point for the systolic and lower point for diastolic. So this is an example tools we incorporated so student can always double check when to start to listen the first and when to get the last reading. So this is very helpful for students in our courseware. A part of it, despite the activity listening, okay, despite the quizzes also, we integrate activity. Okay, this is the quizzes for students to check their knowledge. So after they play, okay, this scenario, they need to answer the questions. If wrong, they can have a second or third attempt. So why the difference is here, we do also have the results. So the students know how good they are if they want to continue again until they feel satisfied with their readings. This is part of where students can evaluate themselves either they really understand or not. How and between that they can always repetitive listen and learn. What the unique another thing is we also incorporate the videos. So basically, this comprehensive product we integrate with the video, we integrate with the procedure, complete procedure for students to listen, and as well as the notes and activity. It's a very comprehensive in only one courseware. Let's hear what the students say and the student feedbacks. We do ask the student, what are you feeling about the user interface, overall experience of the product, and how do you think it's impact the learning process? So here is the students' feedback on they can improve learning and great experience and has greatly helped for the student, especially junior students. Okay. Second, the good product to introduce concept of taking blood pressure. So basically, in our courseware, we also completed with the comprehensive video completely, and we integrate the Korotkoff, focusing on the Korotkoff sounds and activity and quizzes. Another thing that unique is can this is what the students say can do it anywhere without the stethoscope. So which is convenient. Student can practice anywhere and anytime. The importantly is they need to understand the concept as earlier students mentioned. The user friendly and easy to navigate. The interactive activity make the learning fun, and the most interesting is the information is immemorable for a student and overall a good and fun app to learn. Despite of that, we do also have quizzes to check their knowledge and understanding. So we do the comparison between senior and junior. So in our project, the senior student is referring to semester 4, 5 and onward, while junior student we focusing on semester 1 students because they're still new to understand the principle, the concept. So that's why we check it out, their understanding after go through this product. Okay, so between question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let's see within this green and this another dark blue. This green is referring to the senior get the right answer, and this one is for the junior. So we can see that there's not so much difference between questions among senior and junior students to get the right answer. Okay, similar to the question 2, I would say 6 students senior get the right and 5 students get it right. So it's not so much difference compare it between question. And I would say that this student, junior students specifically, understand better for the listening clock of sound and to take the blood pressure. Okay, another part, we also have student feedback according to the agreement, right? The first is referring to the engaging. So we take only the strongly agree response. So we say 57, 57 student juniors say they agree this product is engagement. And for the question number 2, focusing on the motivations to practice, 71 students from the junior students say strongly agree this is motivate them to learn. Question number 3 is it this BeatSync enhance the skill? Yes, 100% junior student. Okay. Why? Question 4, is it provide positive learning environments to learn wherever and very convenient. All right. And last but not least, here is our course links for you to try it out, and we will always enhance time to times to make it is more smooth for our students learning and enhance their deep understanding to foster their learning experience. Thank you.